Hey there! Do you find it tough to make friends as an introvert? You're not alone. Many introverts feel the same way, but the good news is that it's entirely possible to build meaningful connections without changing who you are. I'm here to help you navigate this journey with practical and easy-to-follow tips. These strategies are designed to make socializing less daunting and more enjoyable. Let's dive in and explore how you can become more friendly as an introvert. First things first, remember that being introverted isn't a flaw, it's just a part of who you are. Embrace it. Step 1. Start small. You don't have to jump into a crowd. In fact, starting small can be incredibly effective. Begin by talking to one person at a time. This can help you build confidence and ease into social interactions. It could be someone you already know, like a classmate or a coworker. These familiar faces can make the process less intimidating. Ask them how their day's going or what they're up to this weekend. Simple questions can open the door to deeper conversations. Simple, right? These small interactions can gradually build your social skills and comfort level. Number 2, find common interests. Whether it's a book club, a gaming community, or a cooking class, shared hobbies can be a great icebreaker. Engaging in activities you love can make socializing feel more natural. You're more likely to feel comfortable talking about something you genuinely enjoy. Plus, it gives you a built-in topic of conversation. Step 3. Listen more than you speak. Introverts often make excellent listeners. This is a valuable trait in any social setting. Use that to your advantage. By listening attentively, you show others that you value their thoughts and feelings. People appreciate being heard, and you'll find that listening can take the pressure off you to keep the conversation going. Number 4, practice self-care. Social interactions can be draining for introverts. It's important to recognize when you need a break. Make sure you give yourself time to recharge after socializing. This can help you maintain your energy and enthusiasm for future interactions. It's okay to take breaks and have some alone time. Step 5. Be yourself. Authenticity is key to building genuine connections. When you're true to yourself, you attract people who appreciate you for who you are. Don't feel like you have to be someone you're not just to fit in. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine. People will appreciate you for who you truly are. Authenticity fosters trust and deeper connections. Finally, remember that making friends takes time. Don't rush it. Building meaningful relationships is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself and others. Every small step counts. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. So there you have it. 5 practical tips to help you make friends as an introvert. These strategies can help you navigate social situations with more ease and confidence. Start small, find common interests, listen, practice self-care, and be yourself. You got this. Remember, it's all about taking one step at a time. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps us create more valuable content for you. And remember, it's okay to take things one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Watermark painful purple pity party.com